Hi, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Check out what I found. I've never been in this home before. This is a 14 by 60. We call this home the Wington, and it is so cute. Wait till we get inside. Here's a sneak peek of the exterior though. This home comes standard with both doors on the same side. I mean, it's always an option to do a reverse aisle, which would help you put both doors on the same side. But, and it doesn't cost you anything. It is a free option. They've put a package on here because I'm seeing shutters on the outside. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, I gotta remind you all, I am a housing consultant at Champion Homes, and I can design and sell you a home. So I don't just make these YouTube videos for fun. I'm doing it because I want to meet you. If you like what you see, give me a call. My phone number's in the description below. And if you purchase from me, I can buy you some of your first week's groceries. I mean, groceries are outrageous, but if you do purchase from me, I'm gonna give you a gift card for Walmart or Meijer, wherever you like. But anyways, stepping into this 14 wide, usually I can tell it feels way different, but this one doesn't. I'm stepping in here, and what I noticed right away, of course, we're coming into a wide open living space, but also what caught my eye is something that people ask me for a lot, which is a bar to sit at in the kitchen without taking up the space that you would use for a dining room table. So here it is, folks. Destin white on the cabinets, glacier quartzite on the countertop. We did a laminate backsplash and also an accent wall there. Let me just show you this kitchen from this view. We did staggered cabinets up there. That's how that goes. And then, what a cute little kitchen. I imagine if it was me, I'd put my dining room table there, have a couple of stools that are there. They could even be round stools, so you got plenty of space. There's that wide open kitchen. 60 long is a pretty popular size, especially if you're going into a park. And I could always stretch this to 16 if you wanted me to. Heading back towards the primary bedroom area, we're going to pass the furnace. But look how wide these hallways are. Remember, we always build our homes so that we've got enough room for wheelchairs to come through. That's one of our main things when we're engineering a floor plan. Washer dryer area, main water shut off on the inside. You could do a gas dryer, but it's gonna come standard electric. And the bathroom may be a little dark because there's no electric in here. Hey everybody, but look how spacious this bathroom is. So plenty of room to do a walk-in shower if that's what you wanted. Also plenty of room to do a roll-in shower. If you're maybe you're handicapped and you need some help in the bathroom area, we can help you. Continued on with the accent wall, single vanity, 3-bulb light strip up there. Turn it around, here's that second door. Coming into the primary bedroom area, also, when I saw this home, I peeked in the window and I saw this. What a perfect cutout for a chest of drawers. Got an electrical outlet over there, so I can imagine having a dresser right here, maybe throwing a TV on top if you wanted to do that, and still be able to fit your bed right here, or if you wanted to do a smaller bed right there. But also, if you wanted me to, I could move this window right to the other side so that if you wanted to put your bed there, you wouldn't be blocking a window. Here's the closet. Continued on with that accent wall in the closet. I like that. I like that because when you close the door, I mean, you can't even tell it's an accent wall. But when you're getting your clothes in the morning, you can see it. Nordic white on the floor, I think I already said that. Coming back to the other end of the home, nice and bright. Everything is nice and bright in here. Here's the second bedroom, and I was impressed by this also. This is a good size for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. This is a great home. Don't be surprised if you don't see it on the sale page soon, because I'm loving it. All right, let me stand in the corner and turn around so you can get it from a different view. I would recommend we do the double racks right there. Always, always, always. If you're building a home, do an extra shirt and skirt rack, at least in one of the closets. That would be in my closet for sure. So here you have it, 14 by 60. We call this the Wington. Keep your eye on the sale page. If you're looking to order a home, give me a call. I'd like to have you come visit and let's design a home for you. This is super cool. Thanks everybody for watching and have a great 4th of July.